Accidents are common in the workplace. This video was created for educational and safety awareness purposes. We'll show recreated or documented scenes as examples, explain how they happened, and how to prevent them in real life, so you can avoid them in workplace. Do not attempt to recreate any of this. This worker tries to kick a rotating machine as a joke, but the moment his foot touches the surface, the machine pulls him in. Rotating equipment reacts instantly. Even small contact can become a serious hazard. Always keep a safe distance from moving machinery. This worker is trimming a tall tree while standing on a ladder, but as the cut is made, the falling branch strikes the trunk, sending the worker off balance. It's a clear example of how force and direction must be planned before any cut. Every movement in tree work is a chain reaction. One mistake can shift the entire balance. This worker reaches into a rotating machine to grab a small piece that's stuck inside, but because the rollers are still moving, his arm is pulled toward the mechanism almost instantly. It's a reminder that even a brief reach into active equipment is enough to create a dangerous pull-in effect. Machines don't pause for us. We have to fully stop and lock them before going anywhere near the moving parts. Here, a window cleaning team gets caught in sudden strong wind, causing their ropes to swing. It looks intense, but every worker is secured with full body harnesses and a dual-line safety system. Because all precautions are in place, the equipment absorbs the movement and no one is harmed, showing how proper gear keeps high-rise work safe. Here, a group of workers is carrying a metal scaffold, but they don't notice how close they are to overhead power lines. When the frame makes contact, the inevitable happens. This moment shows why metal equipment and overhead lines should never share the same space. Planned routes, spotters, and clear distance rules are what keep teams safe. The operator reached behind the press while the cycle was still active. This kind of risk occurs when the cycle status isn't visible. A physical barrier or interlocked guard would have prevented access during movement. Clear lighting, warning signals, and cycle indicators remind operators that the system is still running. Prevention begins with design. Here, a worker is standing on top of a loaded forklift to move boxes from one pallet to another. But the area isn't isolated, and a second forklift drives in from below. That small bump is enough to shake the platform, and the worker instantly loses balance. It's a clear reminder that elevated work should never be done on moving equipment. The ground must be stable, and nearby traffic must be controlled. Here, the worker leans in to adjust something while the machine is still running. Because the rollers are active, even a small contact point can pull in loose clothing or a hand. It's a clear reminder that any intervention must happen only after the machine is fully stopped and locked out. No exceptions.